foremost, welcome back. So we're going to continue on the S10 project today. Our grand plan is to finish removing what's inside the cab, and then we're going to disassemble the doors. And at that point, the only thing we have left, now that I've eradicated the bee issue, I actually just relocated the queen bee today, which was interesting at the least. But the only thing we have remaining in the cab after that will be the cab light on the back that has to come off and the windshield. But I haven't had a chance to call people that I deal with for glass and see if they can get a windshield for this truck or not. So at this point, that's what our firewall is looking like. And then this is what it looks like in the cab. So there's some floor repair and stuff we're definitely going to have to do. You can see over in the bottom of the A-pillar there's some rust too. So we'll make some patches up and fix that stuff up. And then we'll paint all the floor in here. Like I said, I got a floor pan to put in for that. But we got to take off the park brake. And we got to take off these two vents that are in the corners. And then that pretty much empties our cab out. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and remove the 13mm bolts that hold one. There's another one up top, and there's one here. Okay, and now what you can do here is pull this off, and we'll go ahead and we'll bag all this hardware and everything for later. So the next thing we can do, start removing the vent. Okay, so these are 7mm. Usually you gotta kind of peel them off because they end up stuck pretty good. So I will grab a screwdriver. Almost there. There we go. Okay. So that's this side off. You can see that prior to reassembly, we're going to have to make up a gasket for this. And we'll clean out all this crap. Okay, so what we did on that side, we'll do on this side now. Okay, we're just about there. There it goes. Here we go. And that is that taken care of. Okay, first step to disassembling the doors, believe it or not, is to remove the mirrors. So they're a T15. And it looks like it's starting to rain. It's okay. I think we're waterproof. Okay, we'll get our big screwdriver again, which I think is in the truck. That a cover piece should now slide up the mirror shaft. Okay, so these are hard to see, but there's two there and another one over here. And that's what we have to remove in order to get the mirror off the truck. Now these are a T30 Torx. So we'll get these out of here. And then our mirror will come off. Because the next thing we can do is take this belt trim off. And we'll take this one out. Okay, so the belt trim, it literally is just clipped into the inner portion of the door. So we're just going to come in here and fold it back like that, go like that. That's it off. Like it clips on there. As you can see, it's had its day. There's nothing left of it. It's all dried out. So it's garbage. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the regulator. So there's a bolt here, and that's actually for a support that's in here. So that's got to come off too. These have to come out. Down to the last one. Hang on to that so it doesn't drop against our glass. And what I'll do is just pull the glass up so it's out of our way. Now, be able to remove our window regulator. Just like that. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to push this all the way down. because this piece has to come out of here now. Okay, to remove the glass, you got to kind of push this end so it comes off the track, and then do the same on this end. Now what we're going to do is gently try to get the window on an angle down here. Which falls into the easier said than done kind of. Alright, because what we're trying to do is get it behind this track. Bring our piece of glass up and do. So these clips here are very, very important to hang on to because they're the window guide clips, and the aftermarket ones are crap. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is basically just pull that trim back and we can slide all the window run channel out. There's one end. See, that's all going to get replaced. What I feel are semi-obvious reasons. Very, very dry. Okay, so that's about as far as we're going to go today. The only other thing I'm going to take off for now is going to be the inside door handle. We're going to leave the outside on for now until I take the doors off the truck. But we've accomplished quite a bit.